Hey y'all, back in this bit, we got a little surprise.
Give me a 5-7, please.
So they finna meet us.
For the takeoff of just yet on the charger.
Surprise. Yeah. Into the mouth. Nice.
You got this shit is at 38 degrees.
38? We got them big boys. It don't really look too big on camera, but boy, I fit my whole, you know what I'm saying? I fit my whole shit through that bitch. This bitch to heat up now. Smoking. I'm sure it's because I got no cats and like I'm fully straight pipe and shit. But like, I don't know. I be a little paranoid and shit sometimes. We just put up. What up, bruh? On the right.
Bro, let's get to where we're going.
I want you to rev it though. I want to see how it sounds before I put them on. Do that shit again! That shit been popping, gang. That shit be popping, fool. Yeah. All right, y'all, just a little update, bruh. She has work in 2 hours, and we're still trying to fucking find a shop that'll do it for us. It's Saturday today, so every shop, damn near every muffler shop, damn near every fucking shop is closed, bruh. Which
We
is
can go
cool.
to this place down here with all the pimp manuals.
Oh yeah, they probably might get us right. They might get us right over here. They got window tinting, rim shop. Ooh, what's that, a scat? A little scat motherfucker, man. That bitch look clean. The sun like fucking up. Every place that we've been to has been like either closed or they don't got a welder. But I'm gonna cut y'all off and shit. We'll see y'all there when we get to the shop. She's in the shop with y'all. The big boys is going on there, y'all. I seen this shit. I'm looking like, you know what I'm saying? This engine oil, my rear seal, I think. Look at the difference from that to that. Like, we're gonna have to do a little project today and fucking cut that shit off. A little tight, a little close. And that's too. We're gonna get it right though, y'all. You feel me? It might look a little janky for a little bit though, but we're gonna make it work. Fire no. Alright y'all, so we got back from the shop, just got done. This be low-key sound a little different. Low-key, like, you know what I'm saying? It sound a little different and shit, but like, ooh, what is that? During one of my videos, I'm gonna have a bunch of the side quest missions and shit. That way it can add a little bit of character and shit and what I be doing in my daily life, because sometimes I don't really got shit going. Sometimes I don't got shit going. Hey y'all, so we on foot with it. Obsessed with our homies and shit. So basically, long story short, it says I got
Ain't got no gas in it.
Says it has a quarter tank of gas. And that motherfucker is not cranking up. And it sounds like he don't got no gas. And we'll see if this shit fixes it. That big ass motherfucker on me. Damn. Waiting for its owner to come back to it. I'm on the way back, Ghost. Ghost, I'm on the way back. Hold on, let me take a sip of some Coke. My bad, y'all. If I sound a little weird, I got a little cold. Rollers. But yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all back when we up there. Y'all. All right. Damn, I forgot to show y'all. Okay, but we're on, like, bro, we was right here. I don't think it went up any.
At that line.
Right there. Not at the quarter, but like a little bit above the quarter. Like, cause most Hemis I've seen, like, look, 140 degrees, right? But my shit's right there. My shit be chilling like right here, like right above the quarter a little bit. And I seen other people, like, they're like right under the halfway point. I don't know if that's just my shit, cause mine's a 05, but I seen other 05s like that too. But I'm not too sure, but I gotta get the gas station, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't trying to run out of gas again. It says that I got, 12 miles per gallon. I normally have 9. That's crazy. 78 miles. All right, y'all, so we just put 25 and 93. What's that, almost 8 gallons? Got me from where I was to over there. I don't know, like, I gotta look at the video again. It said it was like right here, but then it went up to like right below half. I don't know what's going on with my shit, man. I think I know what it is, and it might be but I don't want to say it, even though I already said it a little bit, like with just me and her. I ain't trying to speak it into existence, y'all. Y'all be safe. Side quest mission.
Stay safe.
Done. Stay safe, gang. Hell, y'all, that bitch look crazy. I ain't gonna lie, that shit's just so fat, so black. Ugh.
I put him in position, no diddy.
Hey, yo, what the fuck? Oh, shit probably melted my bumper.
Hey guys, I'm on break. He's making me look at his tits.
So,
Oh damn. Them bitches are big as fuck.
they're big as fuck.
Them bitches are big as hell. Holy shit.
Like, it looks almost abnormal.
They look so far out.
I kind of like that.
It's kind of cool.
So, look at the bumper.
Yeah, it's scraping. They look good, baby.
Yeah, I like them too. Them hoes is fire. Just put up the Tyler spot and shit. All right, y'all. Handyman relling this bitch. As you can see,
He fucked it up.
I didn't. As you can see, guys, everything look cool now. Like, it ain't no cracks, no scratches, nothing. It ain't nothing fucked up, as y'all can see. And tips though, we gonna end up fixing this. Hopefully I can fix it in the same video, because I want to try and fix it tomorrow. But if I can't fix it tomorrow, then I'm gonna post it. Ooh. With the handyman glasses.
Oh my God!
Hey guys, so a little bit of a different POV. It's Kenzie. We're at AutoZone. See if we can fix his mistakes. Okay guys, we're back. The guy with the charger, we really talked to him a lot. We rely on him a lot, especially from AutoZone. He was here, he came and looked at it. He said that I would have to like tape behind it and then put the Bondo on it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I got blue Scotch tape, and this is the Bondo he gave me. He said that the black would be less noticeable. So Raul wanted me to get a paint pen, but the only Chrysler colors they had were black, silver, and white. So I figured he didn't want none of those, so I didn't get one. I guess I'm gonna try to see if I can order one, but yeah, I have yet to let him know. I told you guys first, so I told Raul, and I just decided to go back in and get it. I guess we're going to the crib now. I will see you guys there. Okay guys, we're at the crib. I got all my stuff. I'm gonna clean this. Okay guys, so it is now fully taped up. This is taped up in the back. Got a couple pieces of the plastic, but you know what? It's okay. Everything's taped, tips are taped. Nothing's gonna get anywhere. I got you, babe. Okay guys, I'm fixing to go inside. It's cold as hell. This still has to start. It's looking pretty good, even though it's dripping. I don't know if you can see it, but it's dripping. So I'm probably gonna have to redo it, but that's okay. This is also still drying. Yeah, it's cold, so I'm going in. I might do it again later before he gets off. I might not. Depends on if it's dry or not.
All right, y'all, so this is my first look at the shit. It's nighttime and shit, so it's a little hard to see. It's like some nail polish. It's dried, right?
Yeah.
Because this is so it's getting a little bit. Hey, y'all, so this update. A day later, we still got that side black. And then this side, we got that bitch bondoed up. It's cold as a bitch. That's just my brother. It's cold as a beach. I was like, American. No jacket. All right, y'all. I'm in the clip, right? We got the diffuser coming in and shit, so see y'all then. I got the 5-inch tip.
Are they louder?
I don't know. You tell me. That shit tips.
Not gonna lie, I kind of jumped.
Alright, y'all, so we just got home. Don't mind the messy ass covers, bro. Like, I know some days y'all don't be fucking making y'all bed, but don't mind this either, bro. Like, it's just a bunch of shit from my trunk that was weighing my car down, bro. I had to take it out. We might be in the process of moving though, so like, oh yeah, look, that's my male pit. His name Nova, and that's my female. That's Bailey. Turn the light on. Don't mind all them damn stains in that cotton, bro. They be fucking shit up. We finna open this shit up. I ain't gonna lie, but this shit is fire. Hold on. Oh my God. Literally just fucking hit that shit on the fucking fan. Now that shit's fucking cracked. Not cracked, but scratched.
Oh, who's...
Alright, y'all, so we got that, but I don't know if this shit gonna work. We gonna pray and shit, you feel me? Oh, I got this to snip the shit off. Oh shit, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm kind of like off the grid right now. He should be straight. He going out. He ain't reversing. But yeah, like, I'm off the grid. Like, I'm behind some buildings. It should say private property. Like, no trespassing. It's a camera right there. Like, oh my God. But we got this shit. I hope this shit works, bro. Man, bro, we got that bitch done, though. Shit took me a little minute. Really? I think it's just as simple as 1, 2, 3 type shit. But I don't know if I'm going to record it, because I ain't trying to fuck it up for real. It should be as easy as 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me, girl. Stay there for y'all. I ain't gonna lie, like, that bitch low-key look tough. But I don't know if I should keep it like how it is right now. Cause like, if I get down there, like, you see it's touching. Like, I'm gonna have to get that shit cut again. Like, I just put these hoes on. I would want it to sit right up there. You feel me? Like, I'd want it to sit right there, not like that low. Let me see what I'm gonna do, y'all. Let me see. I'm gonna bring y'all back, all right? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. So, I ain't really the type of person to wait. You know what I'm saying? Do shit by myself. So, I took that motherfucker off myself. Bought the motherfucking Sawzall. Lie, y'all, we running off 1 single bar of battery on both battery packs. They put it here, they welded it there because they needed to put my shit down because it would have hit my bumper. I think I told y'all that before, but I guess being impatient runs you into more problems, bro. Like, that's like, don't be impatient like me, bro. I'm showing y'all what I had to go through to get my shit to look right. Hopefully this shit even looks right, bro. Like, I'm not even fucking done yet. I'm a little bit upset on how scratched it is already, and my car is not lowered. I guess I gotta learn that shit's gonna scratch. You know what I'm saying? Like, all right, y'all, so I'm back again, pulling out the crib and shit. I had to charge the fucking battery for the Sawzall. My girl gets off in 30 minutes. Got some people that wanna get their shit cut, so I'm gonna try and do that tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in this video, but like, just trying, you know, give y'all a little insight of my life and shit, you feel me? What the fuck are they doing? What the fuck? Oh nah, bruh. Only got one joint off and one joint on. So this is how I'm looking from the back end. Hey y'all, so my girl just got off from work. Pretty girl. Ooh. Are you upset that I'm out here making?
Yes, guys, it's cold and I
just
got off of work.
Did I embarrass you?
No, but like, damn.
Alright. So we got this side cut off and that side cut off. As even as I possibly could. Like the welds kind of fucked it up here. I'm finna drop this, put everything back in. We going home till tomorrow, y'all.
So guys,
That motherfucker look hard, y'all.
I'm a fucking legal artist. So the edges aren't on yet. That's what he's doing. We're gonna zip tie it. Probably put a couple screws in there, but it looks so good.
Hey y'all, little update. It's Saturday. Today we going to put the motherfucking tips on the shit. I gotta take the tape off of them Johns, but alright y'all, we're here at the Maxi Muffler. Really nice shit on. We're gonna have to get a little extension pipe to put here so it can protrude out a little bit more and have that little aggressive look. But we're gonna get that shit done. Them boys is officially on there, y'all. Y'all see that after. Big shout out to him, bro. He's been a big help. What's your name, man?
Nick.
Y'all go see Nick from Maxi. Down here in on Broad Street. He gonna get you right every time, right, Nick?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yo, that shit looks so fucking crazy. I don't really gotta do too much other than probably put some screws over there on that side and screws on that side. On the left side and the right side foremost, just to hold it up. I was gonna do zip ties, but if I did the zip ties, the motherfucking thing will hit the motherfucking exhaust tip. So just in case, I got some flames coming. Maybe, I don't know. Motherfucker back in business. Pullovers or nothing, but
It's got coilovers.
really? How you tell? Alright, y'all, them motherfuckers on there, so really just driving home and go pick up my girl. I'ma see y'all then, or give y'all her reaction. Reaction of the tips and shit. You ready?
Yep.
Alright, come on.
Let's go.
Oh,
The tips I spray painted and I know what they look like.
Right? That shit looks sexy. Like, let's look at this side and look at the clearance. This is the side I was talking about. Not this side, but like, this side is good, right? Yeah, it's not touching at all on that side, but this side. But that motherfucker look clean though, y'all. Like, I look like a steady. So I'm finna go do this muffler delete for my homeboy and shit. I might record a little bit of that so you can see a little bit, you know what I'm saying, of the daily life.
Holy
Okay.
We just got that boy's muffler off. Yes, sir. Y'all need me for y'all muffler deletes? You're shooting flames.